Hello and welcome. Today I make a package of the welding process in many or various welding model on our website, and you can find it here, the Abaqus Welding Package Simulation, various welding processes in Abaqus. So click on the blue sign. This is continue, and then you will have here this explanation. In this package, uh, you will find many tutorials, 10 tutorials about friction steel welding by using CEL method, SPH method, ILE method, and the arc welding, fusion welding, or the pipe, or the plates, a steel plate. You can find them here. And the other thing, you can find each title separately in our website, but here you can provide all these tutorials, and this is the end. This is the explosive welding, just for $58, and it is the eight $58, and the H tutorials is around $5 for you. So you can pay for this packages contains 10 tutorials step by step with CAINP and debug subroutines by using a PayPal account. You can use a PayPal account for the payments, but before that, send me an email to this address, and then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for attention.